is showcasing a self-riding motorcycle, which really helps us accentuate some technologies which we think apply very well to the motorcycle industry, but then also help us improve rider safety, riding dynamics of our products as well. The motorcycle uses all rider type inputs, so there's no gyroscopic technology that's in play here. The bike completely is using things that a rider would use, braking technology or braking, turning, and those are all things that I think are really cool about the product. It's using those types of inputs. A self-riding motorcycle helps us showcase certainly some technologies that are maybe slightly farther out. You know, we're always looking at innovations, technologies. BMW Motorrad has always been a leader in that regard. And so now we're looking at how do we look a little bit farther out. And that's the purpose of this motorcycle, is to showcase some of those capabilities. This definitely can ride on its own. We definitely don't advise it's something that we actually have out in traffic. So what you would probably understand when you start looking at a self-riding bike, it'll certainly take our inputs. It can operate, you know, as defined on its own, but when you start taking external impacts or factors like traffic, street lights, things like that, or traffic lights, it's not something that it's at that stage yet.
Feature im Kleinbau, dass das vielleicht okay.
Jetzt hat die schon.
Ein bisschen aufmachen. Jetzt kommt die vorne noch ein bisschen. Gas.
Thought that would be a decent speed, but apparently too fast.
A little bit too much.
Hello, it's me, your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. Hello, it's me, your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant.
Hello, BMW. Who are you?
I am your personal assistant. If you want to set up a personal activation word for me, say, for example, set activation word, ... You can also change the length of my answers in this menu.
So he helps me to get to know him, but what I can do to make it really personal, I can even give it its own name. So I can just say, hello BMW, change your name.
Please tell me the activation word that you want to use to start voice control in the future.
Charlie.
I've saved my personal activation word.
So perfect. From now on, we can call our assistant Charlie. Charlie can also orchestrate car functions for you. So for example, when I'm as a driver feel completely stressed, I can say, Charlie, I feel stressed.
No problem. I have activated the relaxation program.
So what happens? The shades close, so I have a cocooning feeling in the car. I have relaxing music playing to calm me down. The interior lighting is changing to a soft, warm red color. And I, as a driver, get a massage on my seat, and the seat heating is set to level 2. The program goes on for 3 minutes. After that, it ends automatically. And if I say, Charlie, I am bored.
I can't imagine that. Maybe you didn't get a chance to try out sport mode?